I'm Taylor with Tailgate N Go, and I'm going to show you our stove attachment. It's a 1-burner butane stove, and it just goes into our patented notch system like every other attachment. You'll flip over the burn guard, and then you'll install your butane bottle right here. You always want to make sure when you're going to install your butane bottle that your knob is in an upright position. Then you'll be able to lock that butane bottle in place. And then you'll just do a little click at the bottom and you'll start your butane.